Hi everyone, this is Liam with National Powersports Distributors, and today we'll be looking at this 2016 Honda Pioneer 1005. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or by going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. Scrolling down here, we can see that this vehicle has 2,236 miles, and we have not performed a New Hampshire state inspection due to the type of vehicle this is. That being said though, we've still measured the charging output at 13.95 volts, the front left tire's tread depth at 0.30 seconds, the front right tread depth at 5.30 seconds, the rear left at 3.30 seconds, and the rear right at 8.30 seconds. One of our technicians took this vehicle for a test ride and finds that it runs, shifts, and handles properly. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle, so you can see the parts and labor invested in it when we put it through our shop. And because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. So there are some dents and paint chips on the front bumper, and there are also some scratches on the hood. Included with this vehicle are 2 keys, along with a reverse gear, and it's been upgraded with a Kemimoto rear window, an aftermarket roof, and a zip-up window kit. This vehicle has not been issued a title in the state of New Hampshire, but if your state requires it, we'd be happy to help you get one. We've also purchased a Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This vehicle is being sold as is, without a warranty. And we also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.